everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. If your Snapchat or any other app is not connected on Wi-Fi and you are getting the message allow individual app to switch, so I am facing this error in my Snapchat app. So as you can see guys, in my screen, Snapchat can't connect using the current Wi-Fi network. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix this issue completely. For this guys, now tap and hold on mobile data setting like this. It will open your mobile data user setting page. As you can see guys, now here scroll down, here you can get the option allow network for apps. So open it. From here scroll down in the list, you need to find out your app. So I am facing the issue in my Snapchat, so I will find out Snapchat. Open it, and here you need to select mobile data or Wi-Fi. You need to select this option. Okay, now after doing this guys, go back and now it will fix your problem. Still the problem is there, you can try the next method. If you are using the Wi-Fi internet on your phone, you need to turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi, or you can easily enable the flight mode, airplane mode on your phone as well. After doing this guys, now open the Snapchat, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is there, you can try the next method. If the power saving mode, battery saving mode option is enabled on your phone, you need to disable it. Okay, after doing this guys, now you need to clear the cache of your app. Tap and hold on your app, go to app info. Okay, like this. Now scroll down, open the storage. Now you need to simply clear the cache and go back, and here you can get the option force stop. Just tap on it and tap on OK. After doing this guys, restart your phone one time. After restarting, hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still the problem is there, you need to check your app permission. Open the app info, you need to enable the all necessary permission of the app. After doing this guys, close this. Now you need to update your app. Open the Play Store. In the Play Store, here you need to search your app. So if the app update is available, just simply go ahead, first of all update the app. After updating, it will definitely 100% fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple method solution to fix this irritating problem. So that's it today guys, hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our SmartTech Junction for more tech tutorials, how to videos, tips and tricks.